2025, and Honorable Piyush Goyal sir, he is the Minister for Commerce and Industry. So under the patronage of these authorities, the institute runs. We are having 12 centers pan India, starting from Chandigarh in the northeast part, then Noida, Rohtak, Jodhpur, Patna, Fursatganj, Guna, Ankleshwar at Gujarat, Chhindwara at Madhya Pradesh, Hyderabad and Telangana, and Chennai and Kolkata. So these are the locations and these are the pictorial view of those campuses. You can see, so these are the our 12 campuses working in the different regions so that the manpower of different regions can be trained and the managerial people, designer skills can be curated among the students. As I was telling you that we are having footwear design department, we offer here professional education in footwears and we offer the degree of Bachelor of Design. We provide Bachelor of Design in three domains, that is footwear design and production. Then we provide sports and lifestyle footwear designing, and Bachelor of Design in high fashion footwears. Once we go in depth of the footwear market, we realize that it's very lots of things are there to know. There is a complete science behind the footwear. It starts with your anatomy, from your foot structure, your pressure points, your arc, and your way of moving. So the style of movement and ways differs person to person, and there is a large scale production in India. We are having large scale production, but we are slightly moving towards the customization. Celebrities do their ask for their customized footwears, and this trend is going to be normal nowadays. There are companies like Swati Modo is a brand that you can contact them and you can ask her to produce your customized footwear on your requested material, color, and style. So before proceeding to fashion design, I request Seema. Sorry, uh, there are some videos, so that I want to show you some videos about the footwear, so that we will have more clarity about the footwears, how big and how important footwear industry actually is. Seema, please, you can run the video for CLE. And in the footwear department, actually, we are having B design in bachelor and M design in master's level. At Noida campus and at Hyderabad campus, at Chennai campus, we are offering M design in footwear also. Your questions might be there, like what opportunities can a student have after completing this course? Like if someone did the Bachelor of Design for 4 years or M Design, what kind of opportunities he will have in the industry? See, after completing, there are so many opportunities. Like production is one. Relaxo, Bata, there are so many footwear manufacturers are there. So one can join as a production manager there. There is a team of buying and sourcing uh, department. So the students may go there. There is e-commerce division. Those students goes to the e-commerce. They become e-commerce manager. Then there is merchandising, designing, and various different other streams are there. So let's enjoy this video and just watch. During the past decade, India achieved an astonishing growth rate of 7%. With the world's largest working population, India is scaling new heights across all sectors. Towering high rises,
large offices, infrastructure developments, housing, shopping malls. Today, the Indian economy is the fastest growing in the world. India has fast emerged as India achieved an astonishing growth rate of 7%. With the world's largest working population, India is scaling new heights across all sectors. Towering high rises, lush offices, infrastructure developments, housing, shopping malls. Today, the Indian economy is the fastest growing in the world. India has fast emerged as a manufacturing hub for the entire world. One industry that's leading the way is Indian leather and leather products. The preferred choice of premium fashion houses, hundreds of international brands, millions of users, billions of dollars generated every year. Indian leather charms the world with its style, flair, and finesse.
It's one of the best and one of the best priority for the customers.
India houses the world's largest tanneries, delivering international quality products while at the same time being completely ecological. Vegetable and chrome tanning follow the strictest environmental norms. The result? Safe working conditions and finished leather par excellence. Boasting leather that never weathers, Indian shoes have begun a journey to take over the world. The Indian footwear industry has mega factories producing billions of pairs every year.
I've been coming to India for 15 years, and the development of footwear in India has been massive in that time.
Computerized pattern making, automated sewing machines. Factories here invest in the latest technology and in the manpower that is needed to run it.
India has a handwriting. Manufacturers have worked very hard to find systems that suit the culture here.
The urge to create, innovate, and willingness to go to any length to deliver quality is why international brands flock to India.
You know, there are many competitions, and it's not anymore possible to get made in Europe with the same feeling and touch that you are getting from India at the same cost.
Brands to die for. Styles that are number one. The romance of leather is for everyone. Manufacturers invest in people, in ideas. Investing in design studios that house the best Indian talent, graduating from the most prestigious design schools. Pride in design is reflected in the extensive testing products undergo. This ensures they don't just look good, but last long. Hand weaving is a traditional craft of Indian women. Interwoven with style, it creates products demanded the world over. Saddlery is a very intricate element. It is majestic and graceful, crafted to suit the horse and its rider. Indian saddlery makes saddles to suit all needs. fashion changes constantly. Machines and management systems mean little without people who operate and monitor them. Specially trained inspectors and buyers representatives ensure consistency in quality.
The Indian manufacturing sector is becoming more sophisticated, that is for sure. From a day when they were smaller factories to larger factories focusing on manufacturing techniques like lean flow and Toyota systems.
Security is of prime concern and a top priority. The CT pack is strictly followed to safeguard all final shipments. Industrialization revived the economy, improved per capita income, so more disposable money. This in turn saw the rise of bustling, buzzing shopping malls. All global premium brands are already here in India. The educated young population with more money to spend creates brand conscious and luxury loving consumers. India is soon becoming a promising selling destination. Bringing together this mammoth industry is the Council for Leather Exports. CLE has collaborated with a host of reputed research and training institutes. NIFT, FDDI, CLR, and CFTI combined together boost the Indian leather industry.
आपको थोड़ा सा व्यू मिला होगा लाइक हाउ द फुटवेयर इंडस्ट्री वर्क्स फुटवेयर इंडस्ट्री लेदर गुड्स एक्सेसरीज डिज़ाइन industries, the production, the designing, the market, the exports. So this video has actually given the glimpse of the industry. Proceeding to the next department, please go to the fashion design department. Next slides. So fashion design department is actually, आप में से कोई बच्चा बताएगा मुझे डिजाइन क्या है, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ डिजाइनर और कैसे डिजाइनर काम करता है? एनीवन? जैसा सर कह रहे हैं राइट, डिजाइनर देखिए रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग करते हैं. बीइंग अ कस्टमर व्हाट वी डू, वी गो टू द मार्केट, वी आस्क टू द रिटेलर क्या कहते हैं सर, और कुछ दिखाइए, कोई नया आर्टिकल दिखाइए, कोई नया डिज़ाइन, कोई नया स्टाइल, है ना. वी आर ऑलवेज इन द सर्च ऑफ समथिंग नया. तो ये नया जो जब कस्टमर है वो रिटेलर को बोल रहा है, रिटेलर गिव्स द फीडबैक ऑफ द कस्टमर कि साहब कस्टमर कुछ नया मांग रहे हैं, क्या नया मांग रहे हैं, कौन से कलर्स मांग रहे हैं. ये फीडबैक इज फॉरवर्डेड टू द मैन्युफैक्चरर, राइट. हर चीज़ की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है तो दैट फीडबैक गोज टू द मैन्युफैक्चरर. मैन्युफैक्चरर को पता है कि कस्टमर को नया चाहिए, मैन्युफैक्चरर को ये भी पता है कि जो प्रोडक्ट अभी मैंने लॉन्च किया है इसकी लाइफ कितनी है. यू आर द students of management, you know the PLC, product life cycle, product vanishes after some time. So manufacturer having a team of designers, manufacturer के पास टीम होती है डिज़ाइनर की. they ask the designer कि सी ये जो प्रोडक्ट है इसकी साइकिल है 6 मंथ की, जो फैशन आर्टिकल्स है 6 मंथ की साइकिल है. सो आफ्टरवर्ड्स इट विल नॉट लीड टू फर्दर सेल्स. अगर हम इसी प्रोडक्ट के साथ मार्केट में रहे तो वी कांट अचीव सेल्स. तो मुझे तो सेल अचीव करनी है, कंपनी को तो सेल चाहिए, तो सेल वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं अचीव कर सकता तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, नया प्रोडक्ट, न्यू प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट करना होगा. सो हु विल डेवलप न्यू प्रोडक्ट? इन द केस ऑफ fashion product especially, there are the team of designers. So designers are expected to continue their work and curate and develop new products. So designers actually anticipate, they estimate the change in fashion, change in taste, change in preferences, हाउ द चेंज शैल टेक प्लेस, किस तरह से होगा, डिजाइनर उसका एस्टिमेट करते हैं. देयर इज अ पैंटॉन कलर्स. कलर, आज जिस कलर के चीजें चल रही हैं, दोज आर प्रेफर्ड. आफ्टर 1 year you will find the difference. After 2 years you will find again the difference. So there is a fashion forecasting. The designers forecast the fashion. They initiate design work, develop the product, and that product is actually introduced in the market. Some of the product are being backed by celebrities. They has been given endorsements. देखा ना आपने, सेलिब्रिटीज इंडोर्स करते हैं ये ये टी शर्ट, ये फोन, ये फुटवेयर. There are celebrities who endorse, so that is they are actually backing the product, and once the product comes to the market and it goes on. So this is the whole system is fashion. अच्छा, फैशन डिजाइनर का रोल कहाँ है, क्या क्या डेवलप करते हैं फैशन डिजाइनर, बताइए, कुछ आर्टिकल्स बताइए, क्या क्या डिजाइन करते हैं फैशन डिजाइनर्स. Okay, right. Garment designing, say yes. Jewelries, okay. Automobile, there is the role of designer. Home furnishings, decors, है ना? Home utilities, everything is designed. So there is a role of designer. You will find at each and every corner and each and every products there is. So, huh. Yes, yes. We are having, a specialized program in the fashion design. We do have specializations in fashion design only. We are having Bachelor of Design in Fashion Design, Bachelor of Design in Fashion Communication. How to communicate fashion. किसी डिजाइनर ने कोई ड्रेस डिजाइन करी, बट उसे कम्युनिकेट करना है, किसको करना है, कंपनीज को. बिकॉज डिजाइनर्स जो भी ड्रेस डिजाइन करते हैं, इट हैज बीन हैव एग्रीमेंट्स टू सेल विद द कंपनी. तो डिजाइनर को उसकी रॉयल्टी आती है, उसकी फीस आती है, ठीक है. देन बैचलर ऑफ डिजाइन इन टेक्सटाइल एंड अपरेल डिजाइनिंग. Similarly, we are having one master's course in Master of Design in Fashion Design. What are the career opportunities after doing this course? One may have a fashion merchandiser, costume designer, visual merchandisers, fashion illustrator, graphic designer, fashion journalist, quality controller, freelance designer, and fashion faculty can also be done. Also with the opportunity. We are having a short video of regarding the fashion design department. See, fashion designers develop the garments. In our student also develop the in-house designs, and they are having fashion shows at this auditorium only. So I will request to showcase a small clip of that.